Okay, I want to show you really fast and easily how to connect your storefront with ReviewPro. So it's pretty simple. We are here in my storefront and I'm going to click the top right extension and make sure you pin the extension so you can see it. Once you click it, the menu is going to open up. You're going to click settings and then you're going to need to copy and paste your Amazon storefront URL. Now, to get this, it needs to look like this URL right here. www.amazon.com/shop/your name, your username that you initially created. So what I used is, if you see here on the top left where the URL is, I want to copy amazon.com/shop/Mark McKellar and only highlight that, nothing after that. Copy that, paste it in there, and then click Save Storefront. Then, once you've done that, you'll be able to go into your storefront and be able to see where your videos are ranking, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions about this or it's not working correctly, then go ahead and comment down below the video and I will help you get it set up.